Alright, welcome back to an episode of BassBros, and today it's the day after that big storm happened, but it's a bit rough, so we're not going to do the ice fishing route challenge yet. We're just going to wait until it's a nicer day out. But anyways, I was going to make a topwater video for this weekend too, but didn't have much time to fish topwater. Oh, there's a bite, there's a bite. Yep. He crunched it. Oh yes. Oh yes. On the popper. Oh, he inhaled it. Oh my gosh. He's got that thing just lodged in his mouth. Oh, that was a sick bite too. That's a pretty decent one. Alright, come here. Alright, there we go. Now this is scary. Got him. Okay, now I feel comfortable. Alright. Look at that. He just munched that boy up. Let's go. There we go. My first topwater fish of the trip. It's not a bad one here. It's probably like 1.5 pounds maybe. And we're going to let him go. See you later, buddy. Thanks for hitting that topwater for me. So we're just going to get out, go on the kayak, try to catch some big ones in this wind, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. I'm coming up on this spot right here that I caught a 3.5 pounder yesterday, but it was off camera, so I'll show you guys a picture of it though. I'll pop it up on the screen right now. Oh, there's a bite. Yes, sir. I got one. Yes, bass still exist in this wind. It's not even that windy right now, but you know what I mean from the storm. Oh, chill out there, buddy. Chill out. It's right in the bottom of his mouth, so I can't really lip him right now. But got it. Chill out. There we go. I got a nice little guy right there. That feels so good. All right, and now we'll let him go. Oh, thanks for getting me wet. I enjoy that. It's really kind of trying to crank a toad. Yep. Got one on the crankbait. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Come here, little guy. Whoa. It's the dinkers, but I don't care. Please don't shake and get a crankbait in my finger. Thank you so much for cooperating right now. Thank you so much, little guy. This little guy right here just hammered the crankbait. So I'm gonna let him go real quick. There he goes. Thank you, bud. Alright, so I'm about to go out again. The wind just picked up even more, but I'm just gonna go out, send it. Yeah. Yeet. Yep, there's a bite. Oh yeah. Got me one. On the crankbait. Please don't come off. Looks like he only has one hook in him. Please don't come off, buddy. Come here. Heck yeah. Stop spinning. Let's go. This is a pickle. Please don't move. Gonna grab that. Thank you. All right. That's what I'm talking about. On the good old red lipless. Now let me go get a thumbnail right here. And I'm about to crash on the rocks, but see you later, buddy. Thank you so much for biting my crankbait. I'm getting washed up against these rocks. Let's go. Wait, there's a bite. Yes! My mission's complete. I caught one at the dock. Let's go. All right, we're gonna call it a day. Gonna call it a day on this fish and head in before I get thrown overboard. I'm hitting the dock. Gotta move off. Got another little nice guy right here, and let's let him go. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all, this is where I'm gonna end today's video. Caught those 4 bass, so it wasn't too bad of a day, but it just keeps getting rougher and rougher. We're about to head out soon anyways, but You can probably tell by that wind noise, but anyways, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and as always, stay tuned till next time. BassBros.